Do you know the signs that your computer has been hacked? In the vast digital landscape, recognizing when your personal fortress has been breached is vital. Intruders leave traces. 7 signs your computer might be compromised. Stay tuned to learn these crucial signs and how to prevent them. Let's dive into the 7 signs that indicate your computer may have been hacked. First off, pop-up messages. If you're seeing an unusual amount of these, especially ones warning you about malware or offering to clean your computer, be wary. It's a common tactic used by hackers to gain access to your system. Next up, unauthorized emails sent from your account. If your friends or colleagues are receiving strange messages from you that you didn't send, it's a clear red flag. Thirdly, new programs installed on your system. If you notice applications or software that you didn't download, it's a sign that someone else might have control over your computer. Fourth, password and access changes. If you're suddenly locked out of accounts or your passwords aren't working, that's a big sign that your computer might be compromised. Sign number 5, slow performance. If your computer is unusually slow or crashes frequently, it might be due to a hacker using your system's resources. The 6th sign is changes to your web browser. If your homepage has been altered or new toolbars have appeared, it might be the work of a hacker. And finally, the 7th sign, unusual webcam activity. If your webcam light turns on when you're not using it, someone might be spying on you. Recognizing these signs can be the difference between a secure computer and a compromised one. Now that you know the signs, let's talk about prevention. Step 1, don't let pop-ups fool you. They're often a hacker's tool, so approach with caution. Step 2, keep an eye on your emails. If something doesn't seem right, it probably isn't. Step 3, regularly check your computer for new unfamiliar programs. They might not have been installed by you. Step 4, be sure to verify password changes. If you didn't initiate it, someone else might have. And finally, step 5, keep a watchful eye on your webcam activity. Unusual behavior is a red flag. Incorporate these techniques into your digital habits to keep your computer safe. To recap, here's what you need to remember. Be alert for the 7 warning signs of a hacked computer. Pop-up messages, unauthorized emails, new programs, password changes, slow performance, browser alterations, and unusual webcam activity. Moreover, safeguard your system by being cautious of pop-ups, monitoring emails, checking for new programs, verifying password changes, and keeping an eye on your webcam. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and keep your computer secure from hackers. Thanks for watching.